guys, we don't have a fuel pump. Granted, whatever was in this car, it sat for like 10 plus years, and we figured we just test the ocean to see if it'll prime, but it doesn't prime at all. We bypassed the main relay. We powered it directly at the plug at the rear seat. Doesn't turn on, and I was like, you know what? I just want to know if it'll turn on. We have already primed the oil in the system, like 30 seconds, just to make sure that oil is through. And I was like, you know what? Can't beat the good old brake cleaner. So I'm gonna tell you when to go.
Hold on. Give me my phone from the back real quick.
Where?
In the back of the trunk.
It's in the trunk.
Scary shit. But you heard it. This shit's alive. You ready?
Hold on.
My phone's locked too. It's the worst part.
Yeah, I just need you to crank it, and then I'm gonna sit here and throttle it. Yeah, I'm gonna try to keep it alive for just a little bit.
Ready?
All right, let's go.
Ready? All right, I'm gonna throw some in. Go ahead. Stop. Yeah, there's a checking light on there. I don't know what it's for, but it did crank over a second ago for like 2 seconds.
Yeah.
And then obviously brake cleaner dried up, and at least we know it turns on. The all motor life, I don't know if he's ready to drive the thing all motor on the street, bro. I think he's a little crazy for that. But I will stop there because it's getting a little crazy with the smell right now, you know. But turns on. Hey.
Look at her.
She's like, yes, it can go home.
You see why I hate this shit? Everybody says this is fun, huh? Live action from the young static extermination of spiders.
3 giant ones, boy. Y'all got friends. Y'all got friends. Y'all got friends. Guys, I think I found the one that I thought dropped dead. He's just chilling. Right there.
Right there.
Yeah. Well, time to evacuate the rest of you guys. Here we go. Look at upside down. Look at him. He's up Spider-Man. It's a real Spider-Man right there. Real Spider-Man right there, boy. Real Spider-Man right there. Oh no, so that's Autobot. That's Transformers. My bad. Orderly.
It's like I have a 4th child here. With this fool here, dog.
Oh. The 5th one coming tomorrow.
Oh my god. Alright, guys. Pick up later on now.
Hey, this car was built by Busy Motor, like bone stock, right?
Yeah. That I'm aware of, yes.
I mean, I remember when it was white and it was getting built.
Yeah.
I hope it wasn't him that installed this.
What in the hell?
What is that? What kind of professional
some
job
trash.
is this, dude? I don't get it.
And that's an AEM pump.
And that's a zip tie as well too.
Mm-hmm.
What the hell is this?
It's a merry-go-round, bro.
I guess it's universal, huh? Holy corrosion, dude. Look at this.
That is a trip. Why in the hell would you leave live wires like that in the fuel?
Even my dumbass days would do better than this.
That's why. So I said, big names. Sorry to say it, but built some trash ass shit, and that is just unacceptable. That goes to show, leaving live wires inside of a damn fuel pump, inside of a fuel tank, big. No.
This gas smells like ass. and I've eaten ass. And don't smell like this. What?
Oh my god. What's up, guys? It's day 2, day 3. Forgot what day it was. Been so busy doing things, trying to get this car looking like a car for the meet tomorrow. Tomorrow's the deadline. I gotta have this car on the trailer, loaded tonight, and be able to get it going for tomorrow morning. I'm not exactly sure what time it is, but pretty much I've just been busy fixing all the moldings, taping them, cleaning them, respraying them with trim black. I gotta go pick up some carbon fiber mirrors today, so I thought I can put them onto the car. I gotta take up the rear tint off the rear quarter glass, so that way that can have it ready for tomorrow. Again, put the last door handle on it, along with the one on the driver's side. But right now I'm taking on the moldings, putting those on, and I gotta go get a belt because I need a stock OEM belt because the AC I am running it and the belt that we do have is too small. Also been taping up here. I gotta scuff this section here and basically paint it trim black so that way all that can be taken care of. But we're making progress. I'm waiting for my wing to arrive from the painter again because he did take it back to repaint it because there was an issue with it, and he took it upon himself to go ahead and pretty much just fix it and make it right. I ended up swapping over my 225/50s onto my Mugen MF10Ls, the original ones that I had on my Honda Domani, my wife's Honda Domani. And honestly, I think these wheels are gonna go hard. My brother's car, I'm letting them use it as loaners. I'll be using my MF10, my M7s on my car. Right now, as you can see, I'm putting the moldings on. So there's a lot going on, guys. I apologize. I'm not recording a lot as I'm really just trying to crunch down and get things taken care of for the car to be able to roll in tomorrow. I gotta still detail it, I still gotta clean it up. And honestly, man, the car's coming along, as you guys can see. So I'll go ahead and keep you guys updated once we go get some stuff and see how we go. But right now, let's go ahead and put the rest of the moldings on so that way all the moldings will be on the car. Then right here, guys, I have also red labels for the JDM thin side moldings, as these are different than the USDM. The USDM ones are a lot bulkier and they do not work for this. So if you guys are running any SIR styles or you guys need to run them, you can still buy these clips brand new. They're they're cheap. They're about $1 something each plus shipping from Japan. And like I said, I bought a crap load of them because again, I know I needed them for all of my moldings and I even bought extra. So after we do this, I got to paint the sunroof section and install the sunroof section. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to do the headliner because it is an aftermarket one and it needs to get custom made. So I'll probably just have somebody that does that for a living come and make a headliner for it, and that way we can get reupholstered and that way it'll all match the rest of the car. But again, guys, we're slowly making progress. Dana's over there welding up a V-stack so my brother can run it on his car, and that way that can be locked and loaded on his. He's gonna be running a full V-stack through the bumper, and his is ready, almost ready to fire up. We installed the fuel pump. Unfortunately, there was an issue with it yesterday. Unfortunately, Dana ended up cracking and breaking the housing for the fuel pump that he was running, the AEM. Unfortunately, there was just an issue with it, but I think everything got buttoned down. The fuel pump is in the car, and yeah, car's coming along. See, color combo. Some people may like it, some people may not, but who cares? We're doing it our style.
Looks good.
All right, guys, we're gonna do the first startup, see how it goes.
No shit.
Oh, the injector's not
The
connected.
injector's unplugged.
This guy.
Hey, at least we primed the oil. We primed the oil, guys. We primed the oil. That's what we were doing. That's what we were doing. Ready?
All right, guys, so now we're going for the first startup.
Okay, so another thing is we gotta calibrate the TPS sensor, but we know it turns on.
Even Miko's like, what the fuck?
Miklo, your daddy's gonna have a little slow car still.
Man, put your shit on front wheel drive, man.
Look at this guy want me to go front wheel drive.
Take the drive shaft off.
Hey, tell me those wheels still don't go fucking hard though, bro.
They look real good.
Well, guys, you guys heard it. It started. So, for what we did, not too shabby. First drive.
It's different. Hey, Mr. Feature man, what is your first impression of the
It's different, bro. It's different.
So, hey, you're okay now.
I mean, I still gotta experience it, but it's right now it's like, hey, well, okay, the routing is.
That's how fast you switch.
Oh, man.
I should just work.
Color combo. Killing it.
All right, so Brian took off to the store real quick, and I noticed that he hasn't really picked up his camera much, other than like, you know, the finale stuff like driving the car or whatever. Anyway, so his car is here back into the garage, and he is have it on jack stands for the boys to do all the brakes and everything. And because we're so done with this car, there's still a lot of things I need to do still, but I'm gonna work on his engine bay a little bit to try to get it closer to being done, as I mentioned. And there's like, you know, the belt's a little too short. Manifold was powder coated, so all these little fittings are gone. We got to figure out how to plug all these guys up. Turns out this K-tuned throttle cable bracket is like way freaking off. So if you look, this guy's all the way over here, where the valve is all the way over here, so it's like super duper crooked. So we got to fix that. He wants me to do the max solenoid, which is not really mandatory, but I guess it's one of those where it's like, you know, when people come check it out and see it, and they're like, oh man, it's on boost by gear or something, you know what I mean? So gonna definitely install that for him. His harness actually has a built-in wire and plug for the max solenoid, so I'm gonna have to clip this guy off and pretty much tee it into this guy over here. Where's that plug at? It's on this side right here. Right there. Yeah. Cool thing about Wireworks is that they give you the opposite side and the pins right there. So we're gonna have to cut the Mac and wire it in. Now his engine bay is shaved, so there's really not a lot of holes you can bolt that max solenoid to, but we'll figure some out. So these guys are gonna get so these guys are gonna get cracking, and then I'm gonna do the max solenoid. Yeah. Shine. Which one is this? This is interior cleaner.
But they're not making sense with it, and people are like, oh, they're saying that this is more like this.
Combo once again. Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Well, that's why everybody wait.
All right, guys. So it's been a long, hectic day of building 2 cars in a short period of 3 days, or at least assembling and trying to get the other car running and doing on everything that we've been doing. Unfortunately, we did not get my car running, but my car is somewhat show ready. Unfortunately, there is a few things that I'm just not happy with. You know, it is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and roll with the punches. Kit is on completely, everything is mounted. Unfortunately, I did send the wing back because there was a big issue with it where it was missing. It looks like it was damaged in transit when he brought it to me, so there was some damage on the wing, and so they ended up taking it back. So the Mugen wing is not going to be on the car. I was not able to put the sunroof on the car and also the headliner. And then of course the car is not running. The car has its minor imperfections still. Again, it's a rush detailing it. We still have to put the windshield wiper squirters, painted the original ones over it. It was fine. I'm not bitching and complaining about it. I'm accepting it, and I'm just gonna roll with the punches because the car is gonna get cut and buffed later on for a second time, and they're gonna do the Cerakote on this one. But as you guys seen, guys, we did manage to pretty much get the K24 wagon fully started. It runs on its own power, it drives on its full power, and yeah, big huge shout out to Dana Young Static, FN Static, or whatever you guys know him by, Dana, for helping us out getting this car running. He let us borrow an ECU. That's one of the things that we needed. We got that on, and now it does run with his ECU. So it runs, idles, like I said, and as you guys seen, my brother took it for a drive, and right now he is actually rocking my Mugen MF10Ls on 225/50 Toyo R888s. So this car will be making its first debut in over 8 years, and I'm really stoked to see my brother finally out there making moves and being able to cruise with me once we get our cars running, or his car's actually running, but he still needs to get an ECU and so on and so forth. But for the time being, this is what we're gonna make out of it, and we're gonna go ahead and accept the fact that, you know, we made it. You know, both cars unfortunately are gonna make it. Just one car is running because this was a lot simpler to get running compared to mine. But yeah, huge shout out to the man inside the garage right now, Dana, again, you know, for help coming on board and helping us out with this and letting us borrow the ECU and little things that he had and all his knowledge for wiring up the harness, injectors, and everything else. So again, huge shout out to Dana. But yeah, pretty much that is going to wrap it up for today's video. If you guys are interested in watching more videos of this going to the meet and also my wagon, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video where we actually go to the meet. So again, guys, huge shout out to everybody for subscribing and viewing all the videos. I appreciate it, and we're just trying to make this channel grow. But with that being said, guys, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Till next time.